Hi, my name is Liv and this is Live with Liv, and today I'm going to talk about the best email marketing platform for Shopify. And the platform is, drumroll, Klaviyo. We've used Klaviyo for our e-commerce store, Seller Door Plans, for the last 2.5 years, and I love the platform. I love how seamlessly it integrates with Shopify, as well as a lot of the apps that we use on the Shopify store. And even better, the integration is about to improve between Klaviyo and Shopify, because in August of 2022, Shopify and Klaviyo announced a strategic partnership. So I'm going to talk a little bit about the strategic partnership for like 2 minutes, and then I'm going to talk about the 5 reasons why I love Klaviyo and my favorite features. As you can see, we've blown up the little blurb of what they said, and I'm going to read a piece of it. In addition, Klaviyo will receive early access to new Shopify development features, helping Klaviyo and Shopify accelerate critical new technologies designed to help merchants navigate recent shifts in online marketing. That was a lot of babble, but basically what you can expect from this partnership is that Shopify and Klaviyo are going to integrate even further so that you can take more of the data from Shopify and use that in your email marketing so that you can personalize your emails to people better and talk to them at each point of the customer journey. And you can already do a lot with Klaviyo and Shopify now, so I'm really excited to see what other new things that come out of this partnership. Okay, and now hopping into my 5 favorite features of Klaviyo and why I think it is the best option for your Shopify store. Feature 1, personalization and segmenting. You can do a lot of personalization as well as segmenting people into smaller audiences with the data that you get from Shopify in Klaviyo. And I'm going to go and show you my screen and show some examples of this. So as you can see, this test segment, what someone has done or not done. So this is what they've done or not done with Klaviyo or on your Shopify store. So choose the metric there. If you look at it, you can see all the things with Klaviyo. If they've clicked an email, clicked an SMS, you can segment people down based on all of this. If they received an email, if they have sent an SMS. And then if you scroll down further, you'll see all the Shopify integrations. So if they've canceled an order, you can send a certain email. If an order has been fulfilled, you can send a certain email. Ordered a product of a certain variant. So if they ordered on our store like a Hoya, we can send them a different email than if they ordered a Calathea. And then if you see below, there are some other integrations like Recharge, which is great for subscriptions. As you can see, there's a lot of data that you can pull from Shopify to personalize your emails even further. And in Klaviyo, you can also do, gender, age, like where they're living. And they also even have predictive analytics on people so that you can predict what they're going to do and send out emails before they do it, which is pretty cool. The second feature is the Prebuilt Flows. Klaviyo has a lot of pre-built flows that you can use for your business. So if you are just getting into email marketing and you don't know what emails to send, you can go through their flow library and actually just use theirs in the very beginning. And then obviously you can personalize them and customize them as you go, but they will give you a good base for starting your email marketing. I'm going to pull up my screen again so that we can look at some of them together. Okay, so you have the essentials. It's like what I said before. If you're first starting your business, these are the ones that you want to set up, as well as you can do flows by goal. So if you want to prevent a lost sale, you could do, an abandoned cart series, a browse abandonment, even subscription abandonment, which is a great feature for our app Recharge, like I talked about before. The third feature is SMS is built into Klaviyo. It has not always been like this. When we first started with Klaviyo, they did not have SMS, but they have been slowly building it out and investing a lot more into their SMS platform. And why I love that they have included SMS is that now your backend marketing can work together instead of working in separate silos. So for example, you could send out a abandoned cart email, and then for everyone who has not opened that email, you could then send them a text message. So there are a lot of different ways that you can integrate your SMS experience with your email experience. And now with this partnership with Shopify, there's going to be even more data for them to collect for SMS so that they can send more targeted messages. Right now, I do not have SMS on Klaviyo. I am stuck in an SMS contract with a company. It's a whole nother story, but after that contract is done, I do want to switch to Klaviyo for our SMS. Before I do switch, there is one thing that I would like to see from them, which I have talked to them and they say they are working on it, but it is that if you send a text message, you're like, "Hi Liv, are you interested in a pet-friendly plant?" and the person responded with yes, that would put them in a different flow than if they responded with no, and there would be automated responses to that. The platform that we use now does that, and I would love to see that from Klaviyo so that we can have a little bit more of, automated back and forth with the customer. The fourth feature that I love is the A/B testing, and this should honestly be standard across a lot of different email platforms, but I have seen MailChimp, ConvertKit, some where the A/B testing just isn't that great. So with Klaviyo, you can A/B test your flows, you can A/B test your campaigns, and you can do, all the testing you need. Subject line, preview line, the content, the messaging, like all that you would want to do with A/B testing, you can do with Klaviyo. And they also have a great analytics platform that you can see, which tests are winning, which ones are losing, like which ones should we continue doing. And, with email marketing, you really want to test into it. You really don't know what people are going to respond to. And that's why they have A/B testing. And Klaviyo does it really, really well. And the fifth and final feature that I love is that the platform is intuitive. And I guess this isn't really a feature, but it's just how the platform is. When you are using Klaviyo, for me, it kind of makes sense. Like you have your flows in one place, your campaigns in one place. It's easy to segment. There are templates, and it isn't really hard to figure out. Like I started with Klaviyo without even doing a tutorial or anything, and I just kind of understood it and I picked it up over time. I have worked with some other platforms, MailChimp. I just don't like MailChimp in general, but ActiveCampaign, Customer.io, where sometimes like the segmenting honestly isn't too great and it's just kind of confusing to use. Klaviyo really sets it up well so that a beginner can start with Klaviyo. And as a side note, ConvertKit is also a great intuitive platform. You can kind of just pick that one up and start using it. Those are the 5 reasons why I love Klaviyo. The biggest hesitation that people do have with Klaviyo is the pricing model. So it is great to start with. Your first 250 people, the first 500 emails that you send are free each month. But as it goes up and you have more subscribers, it does get significantly more expensive. And I know that can be a deterrent for a lot of people, but you can think about it a different way. And that is, it is integrating really, really well with Shopify. You're able to get data that other platforms aren't able to get. And so you're going to be able to create messaging that is more personalized for your customers. So you could actually be making more money and be paying back that cost. So it's kind of however you want to look at it. Thank you for watching this video. That's all I have for today. If you are interested in using Klaviyo, you can go ahead and use my link in the description. If you have any questions, comment them below. Please subscribe if you want more email marketing tips, as well as tips around e-commerce and my business journey. I will see you all next week.